Hello, Belle.
Bonjour, Gaston. Gaston, may I have my book, please?
How can you read this? There's no pictures.
Well, some people use their imagination.
Belle, it's about time you got your head out of those books and paid attention to more important things. Like me. The whole town's talking about it. It's not right for a woman to read. Soon she starts getting ideas and thinking.
Gaston, you are positively primeval.
Why, thank you, Belle.
Welcome back to another video with me, Mr. Hernandez Teaches. And today what I'm going to do is I am going to be fixing this present that I had given my wife a couple years ago. And so all it is one of those Beauty and the Beast roses. The Beast, in this case me, and then the Beauty, in this case my wife. Unfortunately, it's in need of repairs, but that's what I'm going to be doing today. What I ended up doing was I ended up getting a fake rose, and then I ended up taking a lot of the petals off, and then a lot of the stem, I cut the stem pretty short, and everyone's going to see you, sweetie. So I ended up cutting the stem pretty short. There are a ton of leaves. She's trying to sneak by here. And then I glued a couple of leaves down, and I had a picture up the entire time of what the rose is supposed to look like, so I was getting the thing set up. Now the most difficult part, well, there are a couple things. Well, the first thing was I had to get a hole through here, and there's actually some lights on here. You can see the lights light up, and they were used to kind of like make it so it's a nice decoration and a nice declaration of my love for my wife. So it's just supposed to sit here just like it does in the show, and then or in the movie, and then it's supposed to just hang there like this. So I have a couple ideas. I think I'm just going to use some tape here and kind of like tape it to the top, and then use a ton of hot glue to make sure it sticks to the top of the lid there. So let's get to it. Alright, I just had an idea. So I want to get some tape, right? I think this should work. If I cut like a little slit in the tape, right?
Okay.
Quick tip. Glue sticks. Do not chew on glue sticks. If you're watching this, you know who you are. Don't chew glue sticks. I know someone who chews glue sticks. You know someone who chews glue sticks. Yep, I lost a bet because of it. So now what I need to do is like glue this to the top again. This is gonna be so hard. I don't remember how I had it done the first time. I've gotta like get it in there. I need like mittens. Like this is impossible. What did I do last time? Okay, did I put everything on its side? Oh, this is so difficult. Wait, I have those running gloves. Where are those? There, like, okay, that'll still provide me some safety. Jeez, this is so hard.
I'm sorry. You chose to do a very hard gift.
Yeah. Why couldn't I just buy you like an iPhone or something? Come on, flower. Over here. Oh no, one of the leaves fell off, Helene.
Oh my gosh, that means you're falling out of love with me.
It didn't work. Alright, I think the tape is the right way to go. Alright. The tape is the way to go. I just gotta do it differently. Maybe the slit was pretty stupid. Hot! Hot, hot, hot. Hot glue. Who'd have thought? Tape is the answer to everything. Okay. Yeah, that should hold it, I think. Attempt number 2, or is this, I don't know. This is attempt number 2 today, but then I had at least 1 attempt last time. So, but probably more like 15 attempts last time. This is probably attempt like number 17.
Probably.
Yeah, I don't think I was vlogging at that time. Okay, hold it up there and burn my finger off. Oh no! Oh no, the glove is stuck! Okay, I got it off. I got it off. Boom. There it is. Oh, do you like it? It looks weird? You hate it.
I don't hate it. It's not too bad.
It's not too bad? Yeah, it is high. Darn it.
Yeah, it's just.
What am I? Alright. It's gotta be good. It's gotta be good. This isn't good enough. Alright, what I can do is I can add more tape to it. Tape will be the answer here. More tape. More tape. Alright, this will be the last piece. And then I go to burn my finger again. All for love. Attempt number 18. More glue, more glue. Hot. Hot glue. Ah. The glove helps a lot though. Oh, actually, this looks good, Lean.
It's good. I like it a lot better this time. Last time was
Alright.
not good.
There it is. Fixed. And there it is. And it just sits there, and then you can turn the lights on. Hot glue is hot!
Yes, it is.
Alright, if you guys like this video, just a little video that I wanted to make, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're interested in making something like this of your own and you want some tips, just holler at me. Leave a comment below, like and subscribe to the video and to the channel. I'm Mr. Hernandez. Keep working hard, stay safe. I did like a little finger gun. Is that gonna be like that?